Guys, I think I've bloody sussed it. I've cut that bit out, cut them two out, and I decided to go through here. I've got that little bit to cut, and I actually think I am going to make it. It's very close, but I think I can do it. I think this is the breakthrough we needed. This is where it's gonna all go. So I'm trying to arc there. But fortunately, this saw's slightly twisted, so it's making it kick the way I want it to kick. Even though, normally, if I had a choice, I would be taking that further than that, but I can't because I'll bottom that much further. It's cutting perfect. It's still cutting the exact angle I want to cut it. If you look at that piece there, it's still cutting to my line. Great cut. Oh, we've done it. There's the breakthrough. And now we've done it all. I don't know if I've read.